Welcome to the informative me CUBOT Max 3, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first, let's find the screen recorder feature on our notification button shortcuts. Somewhere here you should find the screen record icon, and to launch the screen recording settings you should hold for a while this icon, and now we can see here record audio section here, the switcher. Just to record audio, the media during the screen recording, you should click here on the switcher to use this. Here we can switch also the microphone. For example, now I have selected the microphone, so this means that you can use the microphone during the screen recording. You can comment something. You can also use device audio, the media, just ringtones, calls, music, and also we can use the audio and microphone together. And if you want to just record the mute video, you should just click here once on the switcher to turn it off, and to start the screen recording you should click here to start, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.